we are going to the viewpoint, and here you can see a statue. This is the statue of the architect of San Francisco. He is Joseph B. Strauss. From here we'll go to the viewpoint. The American flag you can see there on the top. That is the viewpoint from where we can get a good view of the San Francisco Golden Gate. But today we don't know whether it will be possible because today is full of fogs here. This is one of the cable on which the Golden Gate is suspended. You can see here the cross section of this is a small portion of the cable which supports the Golden Gate Bridge. This is the way to the viewpoint from where you can get a beautiful view of the Golden Gate Bridge. See here, this American flag. But today unfortunately it is full of fogs. See, that is the bridge. See a portion of the bridge, and the rest is hiding behind the fogs. They are very unfortunate today. And here you can see Devi also. See, she is looking at the Golden Gate. At present we are on the Golden Gate Bridge, and because of fog we cannot have a clear view of the entire bridge. But now the fog is getting, so you can see the abutment and the first pillar, and there at the bottom you can see a lot of cars are parked, and below that you can see the sea, the bay water. Yes, this is the bay water. You have to believe me. This is the viewpoint from which now we are going back because we don't have much time to spend here.
No. Is there a way to get turned around here without getting too far away?
No.
Can you turn in here? No. Okay, go ahead. Although Levi Strauss also started in San Francisco. Joseph B. Strauss got the idea to connect the two land masses. San Francisco is a peninsula surrounded on three sides by water. The entire bay area, this body of water, it's a huge mixing bowl. The water of the Pacific Ocean, salt water, mixes with the fresh water of two rivers. It is comprises 40% of California's watershed. Yani it from the Rocky Mountains west side. Here we go. This is your darshan of Golden Gate Bridge. Har Har Mahadev, Bam Bam Bole, Govinda Govinda. Now in the old days when my father used to go, we used to go on the train over the holy rivers. We would be throwing our coins into the water. Over here, if you want to throw coins, I will come and you just give to me all the change.
You will do it for
and
us.
I will throw another time. Now the thing about this bridge, you notice on the bridge, these yellow cones. These yellow cones, they can change the direction of the lanes. So when they have heavy traffic going one direction, they can make just 2 lanes going opposite direction and 4 lanes going in the traffic direction. They can move these cones. And no, as you can see, this is no automatic business. This is manually.
You can see because of the fog, we are not able to see the big roads. But on either side, you can see the handrail is.
Now if you notice this big fat pipe that is hanging here to both sides, what you can notice is like a rope. The cables are hanging over that cable, and that is what is holding the bridge. This is a suspension bridge. So this road that we are going on, they are all these sections are they are hanging from these two big pipe-like things. They are actually a cable. Ah, yes, you need to come back here, sir. California is very particular in its road laws, and Gonzalo could face stiff fines. Yes, we are going to turn around and we are going to come back in reverse. And if you are lucky, who knows, maybe the fog will clear up.
നമ്മളാണ് അങ്ങോട്ട് കൊടുത്തത്. This is this side of the cable.
Yes, coming. So,
Bridge, Golden Gate
this big
Bridge.
body of water here, this is called the San Francisco Bay. Between the rivers and the ocean, it's a big mixing bowl.
Ah,
This is called Hindi chauvinism, Sagar, Pacific mein. So this is 40% of the entire state of California's watershed that spills in the North Bay. It is about 350 feet deep here at Golden Gate Bridge, 350 feet. And so black and yellow stripes. They want it to be like that. Then we would have had to call the bridge the Tiger Bridge. Now, Joseph B. Strauss had the idea to build this bridge. It would be good for the commerce of the entire San Francisco Bay Area. And so he suggested constructing this bridge. Now you see, the city is starting to poke over the top of the fog a little bit. This is also a very interesting feature of San Francisco, to see how quickly the weather can fluctuate. That pointed building that is sticking out at the top, that is your Transamerica Pyramid, the tallest building in San Francisco, and beside it, Bank of America. There you can see just to the left is a Zeppelin, what they call a Zeppelin.